Hello everybody, I wanted to do a HEX video here. This coin looks absolutely great. I'm going to go over this chart here in a second. I want to go over a little bit of news here first that's going on today in the crypto market. Binance swaps their stable coin from the recovery fund to Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and I know they said they were going to do some other coins too, and they're doing this to kind of prop the market up some after we've taken all this beating of lately with Silvergate and the Signature Bank and the SEC. You know, it's been one bad news after another, but I think that's coming to an end here. I mean, everything's been looking great the last couple days. I know the CPI stock market news today, the bulls lift the stocks higher following an inflation report. You know, that came out this morning at 8:30 in the morning Eastern United States time. That came out of the 6. They were expecting, you know, a 6.5 or something. So that shot the markets flying here. I mean, you can see the biggest gainers of the day. Singularity's up 22, Mutable X 18. You know, some big gains there, some big double-digit gains. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. I cover all different kinds of coins. I know usually people hold multiple altcoins. You know, I do. So I cover a lot of different ones. And then I rotate every day or so back to the ones that I started with. I like to do that. It keeps it kind of fresh. But I'm giving away 100 ADA Cardano at the end of the month to a subscriber. All you got to do to enter is hit that subscribe button and you're entered. Just a thank you to my subscribers for all the love and support. You guys have been great. Thank you so much. But let's get a look at this HEX chart. This thing has been following. Let me get my arrow here. This thing's been following this trend line up here. This is on the daily chart, and it's just looking fantastic. Higher highs and getting a higher high. Well, we had a higher high. We actually had a lower low here, but now we have a higher high. We're starting this uptrend. We had a golden cross here on the 50 and the 200, so that's a really good sign to see. Got some volume coming in down here. Not a whole lot. We need to see some more than that. The RSI is getting a little overextended there on the daily, but if you put a Fibonacci on this thing and give you some price targets here, you know, this thing blew through the fib levels there, and it hit the 1.236. Quite honestly, you know, this isn't financial advice. I have to say that. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. But I could see this thing getting up to, you know, right around 11 cents. Between 10 and 11 cents on this next move. It might have to cool off for a little bit. All these RSIs, even on the 4 hour, the 4 hours coming down, the 1 hour is reset. But the daily, it's going to need to cool off here. So within the next day or two, I can see this making another run. Usually when you get through these Fibonacci levels here, especially that last one, that 786, the 618 is usually, and the 702 is where a coin either flips back around and heads down the other side. That's usually where they hit the brakes if they're going to flip around. And if they get through that 786, you can see what happens. You know, we set a higher high when it got through there. So this thing might cool off a little bit, consolidate here for a day or so until this RSI settles down, and we'll check back in and see what happens here. But for now, things look great. Both of the moving averages are underneath this thing, and things are looking really good right now for HEX. So please hit that subscribe button, and I'll check back with you in a day or two on this HEX chart. Thank you very much.